Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL WP20 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. You need to begin by opening Photos app and choosing Library at the bottom. Now pick one of your folders and hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of. Finally, to select multiple ones right away, click on those type of dots at the top right corners. Now to exclude some of your photos that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And then to delete the rest, use this bin next to the shopping cart at the top right corner. So when I do that and confirm my choice in the pop-ups, I can see that all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!